Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 3-4 years ago, and actually I made this colorized this image yesterday. Original shot is this. A little bit not much colors in it, and I colorized yesterday to get this image. A little bit colorful, pastel colors. Then I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter code Find Edges. Then today I want to try to make some kind of illustration type image from these. I may not use the original this image. No, just keep it. So I'm going to use this colorized image base. Okay, now I'm going to change the blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. Let's see. Okay, change blend mode to overlay. Opacity down. Let's see, soft image. This has kind of nice soft light. Skin tones on, and other pastel colors different. Yeah. Okay, turn it off this original image, and I'm gonna see the texture of the hair. Yeah, I think much nicer. So I'm not gonna use this original image. Just delete. I don't think I'm gonna use this original image. We have this color image already. Then change, let's see, luminosity. This is pretty interesting too. Okay, let's make one layer from here. Okay, select multiple, 1, 2, and duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get one layer. Then just leave this one like so. Then I'm going to duplicate this base image, original colored image. Let's see, turn it off these layers. Same time I'm going to change names too. Alright, now I'm going to duplicate this base image. Then bring this one, okay, move up over this luminosity effect layer. Okay, tone down opacity about 50. Then turn on this. Original image, I'm going to turn it off. Then let me see, turn on this luminosity effect layer. Okay, then I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image to very top. Okay, just leave it there. I'm going to bring this blend mode back to normal. Okay, then turn it off to keep it. Base image opacity just half tone. Then see this luminosity effect layer. Yeah. Now let me see if I change this base image blend mode. I think this linear burn is pretty interesting. Yeah. Okay, linear burn on this base image. Opacity 50%. Then this is luminosity effect layer. Let's see about this pencil drawing type image. Turn it on. Now change blend mode. Color burn. Yeah, getting better, I think. I kind of like this. Pencil drawing type image, color burn effect, blend mode color burn, and this base image, linear burn, 50% on luminosity effect layer. This is my first time to get this kind of image, I think. And also I may add some colors on here. Like I got nice blue cast here. Okay, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna retouch this. Again, this is interesting. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna add color. This time, okay, let's see, add layer. Then I'm gonna use watercolor. Brush is watercolor round detail. And color is orange. Let's see, change brush to, we'll try watercolor wash flat. Okay, change brush again, watercolor round detail. Okay, continue to add some, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna smudge this grainy texture. Let's see, smudge tool, use a pastel square. Now let's see, turn on these layers. I may need to smudge on these layers as well. Okay, this is pencil drawing type image, convert to pixel layer. Maybe touch too much, huh? Okay, now I'm gonna add color here. Turning kind of interesting. Well, let's see. Okay, so far I have this base image. This is luminosity effect layer, a little bit thin color, I think. And I put original image, turn it on, half tone, 50% opacity, linear burn, vect over this luminosity effect layer. Then I add, this is pencil drawing type of image, change blend mode color burn, like so. A little bit lines, nice. Then I add watercolor on this layer, texture of her hair is watercolor texture. On this luminosity effect layer is sort of pastel color dry media type image. Then this hair texture is the watercolor image, which is kind of mixed up all the medias, dry media and watercolor media. Well, that's an interesting thing we can do on Fresco. Okay, now what I'm thinking is base is photograph, so I'm gonna use, well, lighten up maybe around here, highlight side, a little bit touch, emphasize. Let me see, add on top brightness contrast, then create empty mask. Now we invert mask, then reveal with, let's see, basic to soft round size flow to reveal about this side. You see the mask. Then I may touch. Okay, lighten up. Let's see. Brightness, contrast, well, touch lighten up. Interesting image. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. I add some watercolor image, and I just add appearances to brightness contrast to make mask, and I change blend mode like color burn, linear burn, and luminosity effect layer. Different blend modes to use express this kind of image. Well, interesting image. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.